Hi there, this is Sanket here and welcome to lecture number 5. In this lecture, we will learn how to do analysis of 2D elements, means 2D surface. For today's lecture, we will solve this problem. This is nothing but a rectangular structure and it is divided into 2 elements by triangular profile. So, this structure is fixed at this node number 1 and node number 4. And there are forces of 100 Newton each applied on node number 2 and node number 3. And here is our material data. This is our Young's modulus of material. This is thickness, coefficient of friction, mu. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, simply go to ANSYS Workbench. For that, go here and click on that. Now it will take some time to open. Now ANSYS Workbench has been opened. So simply go to static structural and double click on that. Now our first task is to enter material properties. For that, click on engineering data, right click and edit. So our Poisson's ratio is 0.1. They have given us, and Young's modulus is same. Yeah. So again go to project. Then we will draw our geometry. But before drawing geometry, make sure that you have selected here 2D. If you are unable to watch these properties, simply click here, right click, then go to properties. Then you can see this window. So we will draw our geometry using space claim. So go to space claim. Yes, it will take some time to open. Let's wait for that. So while doing analysis of 2D elements, we always use XY plane. This plane means firstly, we will select this XY plane. Now click here, select new sketch plane, and now this plane has been selected. Now we will draw our profile. So here we have 100 mm in this direction and 10 mm in this direction. So let's create that. If you don't know how to use space claim, you can see my video on that. Now we will fill this with surface. For that, simply select all and click on fill. In design tab, it's fill. Now our 2D surface has been created. Let's minimize this and again go to workbench and we will set up our model. Right click on edit. It will also take some time to open. Let's wait for that. It will take some time to load. Yes. The first step is assigning thickness. For that, simply go to geometry. Then this is our surface and here you can enter our thickness. Now what's our thickness is? It's 1 mm. So we'll simply enter here 0.001 because unit is meter. You can change your unit. Then you can click on geometry and then you can select your 2D behavior. You can select it plane stress or plane strain. You know that what is plane stress and plane strain means. You have learned this in strength of material. So I'll keep it to plane stress. And next we will set up our model. For that we will insert fixed support to this node and this node, and we will apply loads of 100 kilonewton. It's kilonewton or newton? Let's check. It's 100 newton. So we'll apply load of 100 newton each to this node and this node in x direction, positive x direction. Let's right click on that, insert, then fix support. We'll select this point. To select points, you need to activate this option. Apply. Again, fix support to this point. Apply. Now we will add forces. Select force. Select this point. Now we will select here components instead of vector. Then we want our force in x direction. So I will enter here positive 100, enter and apply. Then let's apply force on another node. For that, go to force, select node, then select component and run. That's it. Now click on apply. Now what solution we want? Let's add solutions that we want. I'll add deformation and strain. So let's create mesh. For that, right click on mesh and click on generate mesh. We will see mesh refining techniques in further videos. Yes, now our mesh has been created. So let's check our boundary conditions. So we have added fixed support, then second fixed support, first force of 100 newton and second force of 100 newton. Yeah, right. So let's click on solution, then right click and solve. Click on total deformation. You can see our structure will deform like this. This is strain. So at this area, the strain will be maximum. This and this at 4 corners. So that's it. You can also see animation of that. Here is the animation of strain. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get update of my each video. See you in the next lecture.